Hey everyone, this is Harish Dalal and welcome to our channel CodeChef. The problem today we'll be solving is ID and shape. From practice section, it is a simple problem, the problem code for which is FLOW010. The prerequisites are basic looping and conditional statements. Before we get actually started, here's a reminder to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. According to the question, we will be given letter case ID in the form of a character and we have to output the ship class according to the character. Like for example here, if we have given B, capital B or small b, we do have to output battleship. If the input is capital C or small c, we have to output cruiser. If the input is D or small d, then destroyer. Else if it is small f or capital F, then frigate. So we can do it simply with conditional statements. So first we will be writing if the input character is either capital B or small b, then we will print battleship. Else if the input character is capital C or small c, then we will print cruiser. Similarly for every other, for D and F, we will write a else if statement. If the input character is like capital D or small d, then we will be printing destroyer. And finally, else if the input character is capital F or small f, we will be printing frigate. So this is the simple implementation of this problem. Let's move to the code editor. Before checking out the solution, you can go try it yourself on the CodeChef platform and come back later to check the solution. So I will be coding in C++. You can prefer any language you want like Java, Python, C, C++. So first we will be taking T test cases and implementing a loop unless our T becomes 0. Then for each test case we will be getting a character. Now depending on the character we have to output the class of the ship. So if the input character is either capital B or small b, then we will print battleship. Else if the input character is capital C or small c, then we will be printing cruiser. Make sure to check the spellings as well of every class ID you are printing out. If the input is capital D or small d, we will be printing destroyer. Else if last condition, if the input is capital F or small f, we will be outputting frigate. That's it. So I will submit it. So yeah, we got a correct answer. So that's it from my side. If you are interested in competitive programming and want to master and learn data structures and algorithms, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. You can also get updated via our Telegram group. The link is given in the description box. Also feel free to suggest what video should be picking up next. I will see you in the next one.